We'll guide you through how to use Namecheap WhoisGuard to protect your privacy online. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account by clicking on the Sign In button at the top right. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your domains listed. Find the domain for which you want to enable WhoisGuard and click on the Mange button next to it. This will take you to the Domain Details page. Here, you'll see a section labeled WhoisGuard. If it's not already enabled, you'll see an option to activate it. Simply click on Activate, and WhoisGuard will be applied to that domain. This service is often included for free with your domain purchase, providing an added layer of security by masking your personal information from the public Whois database. If you have multiple domains, you can repeat these steps for each one to ensure they're all protected. WhoisGuard helps prevent spam and protects your identity from malicious actors by keeping your contact details private. Additionally, you can check the WhoisGuard status anytime by going back to the Domain Details page. Remember, while enabling WhoisGuard is a great step for privacy, it's also important to review your account settings regularly to ensure all your domains are secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.